This is my 2007 Mercedes-Benz S350 long wheelbase. Take a look at that beautiful Obsidian Black color. That gorgeous front end of the car. Absolutely flawless. So this is the GCC Spec, specific to the Gulf market. One of my most favorite S-Class models ever to exist. You have that beautiful S350 badging, as well as those gorgeous popping red taillights. Shiny rims, covered in premium grade Michelin Primacy 4 tires. Let's pop into the business end of the car. Witness this gorgeous two-tone leather interior. So you have your dark beige, and then the light beige, and then the dark beige as well, with a nice felt lining door pocket. Absolutely pristine leather conditions, with your Harman Kardon stereo system, one of the best in the market. Take a look at that flawless interior. One of the cleanest W221s you are going to find in the market. I have a little bit of a surprise I'd like to show you. My car is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and that is wireless. So it's a feature that I have added. Let me close the door and show you the soft close as well. Right. So the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will work if you hold the return or the back button. It will take you back to the original screen with the navigation and all. You're just going to hit back, hold back one more time. It's going to bring you to this menu. Go on to Mercedes, it should take you to the menu where you can select CarPlay, Android Auto or mirroring. As I use an Apple device, I would keep it at CarPlay. So yeah, everything works perfectly well. I have these gorgeous Arabic style floor mats for the front and the rear end. And one more thing to note is that I've got tinting done by NANOZ. So if you can see, the clarity on the side windows is really bright. This is a 0% tint, which is mainly, there's no tint, but it's supposed to cover you from the sun. So in the summers, this is going to be a treat. Let's check out the rear seats as well, but before that, take a look at this gorgeous steering wheel. It's beautiful leather, absolutely flawless, not a single scratch on it. And I just love this semi-wooden leather design that Mercedes used to do. Unfortunately, they don't do that anymore. Let's check out the rear seats. Going to sit in the chauffeur seat, as what they say. Are. And soft close as well. Take a look at that long wheelbase leg space. Now that seat's all the way back, so my wife likes to have lots of leg space in the front. So still, I mean, I'm a 183 centimeter tall big guy, so this is definitely a very comfortable seat to be in. You have your roof sunshade, your window shades. Let me show you the functionalities. This works perfectly well. I like to keep it up during the day. Everything looks perfect. Then you've got your, let me see if this is this one. Yep, there you go. That works perfectly well as well. And then you have your rear sunshade. This one looks incredible to me. The way that it literally fits like a glove on the sides. Because I've got a Toyota Century and there is a gap on the sides with my Century. This really makes it really, really nice. It's a very premium cabin to be in. One of the cars that you would actually love to go in on long routes, especially sitting in this seat. One of the best and most affordable daily driving cars in Dubai. Right, so another feature here is you click this button, you can move the seat in front of you forward to have more leg space. It's just going to continue to do so. It's adjusting itself as per the seat base, and then your seat back goes forward. You can even lift it as well, I believe. So you have maximum leg space. Even a big guy like me can sit with my legs crossed. How crazy is that? You've got your vanity mirrors as well. You have your coat hangers, your lights, and yeah, that's pretty much it. The AC works flawlessly. Stereo system, as we see, we have an Apple CarPlay, so the music is just going to be directly connected. That's pretty much it. So there we have it. Mercedes-Benz S350 for sale. Thank you for watching.